Adam here with Vintique Motors. We're going to take you on a quick driving POV of this 2017 Corvette Z06. Car currently shows 13,128 miles. It's a one-owner car, ordered new by Les Stanford Chevrolet for their inventory in Redford, Michigan. It was sold to a gentleman in New York, about half an hour, 40 minutes north of New York City, up in the mountains. Just a great car, torch red with adrenaline red interior, Z07 package most importantly. So you get the carbon ceramic brakes. It's got the carbon fiber package as well, so lots of carbon fiber goodies. I believe the window sticker was a hair over 98,000 new. It's got the data performance recorder as well. Totally stock car. It's just the tires have been changed over from the Cup 2s. They're now regular Cup tires. Anybody who knows that brand of rubber knows those tires are only good for about 3,000 or 4,000 miles. So the original owner changed those pretty quickly. With 13,000 miles now, I'm sure he went through the first set within the first 3,000 or 4,000 miles. That's their shelf life. Windows are tinted as well. That's actually the only modification, so my apologies. And then there's a tint at the front top of the windshield as well. You know, runs and drives like a new car. Not really molested ever, never tracked. Just a nice toy for himself to celebrate some successes in his life. This is a 7-speed manual as well. Don't want to forget that. Very, very important. So easy to drive these cars. Very light clutch. Goes into each gear really, really easily. Tons of power. 650 horse. Being a red over red car, it's I don't want to say rare, but it's uncommon. Most people chose the black interior. Now this is kind of a dual two-tone black and red, but you know, on the window sticker they call it straight adrenaline red. I think this is one of the coolest features here. While we're stuck behind this semi, you press that button there, and you got kind of a hidden little pocket to put wallet or keys or whatever, so it's really a neat little trick. And there's also a USB pickup behind the screen there. Great Bose sound system, full navigation. And I think this is the 2 LZ or ZR, I forget what nomenclature GM is using these days, but it's the mid-tier interior package, which, if you ask me, is pretty darn nice for a mid-tier. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoy it, and good luck bidding.